God knows our imperfections and still uses us to change the world. Because God is not intimidated by our weaknesses. His power is greater than our weakness. In fact, His power is perfected in our weakness. James says there are quarrels because of our own desires, of our own selfish ambition. For there to be peace, we deal with ourselves first. Problema sa atin, lagi natin nakikita yung kamalian ng iba, pero hindi sa atin. Be patient with one another, realizing not everyone heals the same way and as quickly as the rest. We too are growing, so let us accept one another and bear with one another with great patience.